If you remember what we said about sentences, it's a group of words that makes sense. However, there are certain group of words which come together but they don't make complete sense. Okay, this is what we call it in English as a phrase or a fragment. So let's give you some examples. If we say in the masjid, it does make some sense, but we need something more to make a complete sense of it. For example, say to the school, it does make sense, but we need some more information. On the table, from India. So all these are called fragments of a sentence or a phrase, or what do we call it in Arabic as Shibhu Jumla. It's the people who understand Urdu, it'll be easy to remember. Shibhu means shabahat, means resembles. It resembles a sentence. This is what Shibhu Jumla means. Shibhu Jumla. So that's to say it is called a phrase or a fragment, and in Arabic we will call it as in Shibu Jumla. This Shibu Jumla, the phrase or part of the sentences, in Arabic you will find both in Jumlatul Ismiya and Jumlatul Fi'liya. So because we're learning about Jumlatul Ismiya, in Jumlatul Ismiya when you see this Shibu Jumla, that will be the khabar for the mubtada. If you remember what we're doing about khabar in Jumlatul Ismiya, we've learned so far that the khabar can be one word like Hada Baitun. This is a house, which ends with Damma. Okay, Hada Rajulun, Zalika Jimalun, that is a camel. So everything with one word, what we've learned so far is a Damma. So inshallah today what we're learning is about a phrase or a fragment, okay, which is called a Shibu Jumla. So there are different types of Shibu Jumlas. Okay, what we're learning today is inshallah the first type. And what is that type? The type which you learned in the previous session about harf jar. That's the reason why we started our harf jar. And what is it linked to? It is linked to ism majroor. So they both come together as a one segment. So if we say harf jar, you have to say ism majroor. They'll come together inshallah. So we'll do some examples, then it will be more easy to understand. So coming to harf jar, let's quickly remind ourselves what are those harf jar we learned. So ba, ta, kaf, lam, waw, munzu, muz, khala, rubba, hasha, min, ada, fi, an, ala, hatta, ila. So these are the harf jar. And as we said, we're not going to learn all together, we'll be learning few at a time. So in this session inshallah, we'll be learning these four harf jar. What are those? We got min, fi, ala and ila. So we'll be making sentences with these harf jar, and if you remember, harf jar will always come with a ism majroor. We'll see how this ism majroor is going to change its signs and see what its meaning, inshallah. So if we just first come to the meaning of these harf jars, min means from. Min means from. Fi means in. Fi means in. Ala means on. Ala means on. Ila means to. Ila means to. So min means from. Fi means in. Ala means on. Ila means to. So try and pronounce properly as well. Ala and ila. So they are different. It's not ala ila. It's ala ila. So let's do some sentences inshallah. If we see here, we got a preposition fi. Fi means in. And we got a word on its own. As we remember, if you say natural state, there's nothing attached to it. It will have a dhamma. It's a baytun. It's indefinite noun. So how will it look when it comes with harf jar? So if you see here, You got harf jar, then this baitun becomes baitin, fi baitin. So they are linked together. Fi baitin. This combination is called harf jar ism majroor. If you see the majroor sign of majroor is kasra, the tun becomes tin. Fi baitin. So that's what it's called. Harf jar ism majroor. And together it's called a shibu jumla. It's a part of a sentence in a house. Okay, so it can come with the, you see, matbakhun. Matbakhun means a kitchen. If you put a fi here, it becomes fi matbakhin. Kasra. It becomes a kasra. Matbakhin is in kitchen. In a kitchen. So if you do more, masjidun. So if you add ila means two. So what will it becomes? It becomes ila masjidin. Harf jar ism majroor. Shibu jumla. Harf jar ism majroor. So let's see. Give another example. Baitun. So we did fi baitin. So if you say min means from. So if you're doing min baitin. So there is a little bit of pronouncing, a little bit of tajweed here. You say mim baitin. So mim and ba is pronounced together. Mim baitin. Baitun min baitin. So if you say kitabun means a book. So ala means on. Ala kitabin. So this is harf jar ism majroor. So they all come together. So let's do some sentences now, inshallah. So if you say al-hilalu fis samai. So what are the things we are seeing here? What are the things we have learned so far? So al-hilalu. So it's starting with a noun, a definite noun. So we know this is a mubtada. You remember, mubtada is always definite. We got a sign of definite al here. When al comes, a noun gets a single dhamma. So that's why this is a mubtada. Al hilalu. Hilalu means the moon. Al hilalu. So what about hilal? So we need to have a news about it. So what we say? We are saying fis samai, in the sky. As samai, the sky. When it comes fi, it's fis samai. Harf jar ism majroor, and together it's a shibu jumla which is coming as a khabar for al hilalu. So we're telling al hilalu fis samai, the moon is in the sky. So ilal babu. So if you remember hamzatul wasl in front of al, if any word comes, this sound gets disappeared and then the lam sound will come, and that is in the sun letters. So all the knowledge has to come together. The sun letter, the moon letter, hamzatul wasl. So inshallah. So now we know when we read ilal babu. So now our mind can tell exactly why do we read as ilal babi, not as ila al babi. Ila means to, bab means door, to the door. Min means from. Min means from. So we say minal mudarrisi. Minal mudarrisi, from the teacher. From the teacher. So I'll say miftahu. So where is the miftahu? Miftahu is key. So we're talking about a specific key. So we're telling al miftahu. Al miftahu. Alal kitabi. Ala means on. The key is on the book. So al miftahu is mubtada. It's definite. Sign of al. Dhamma. Ala means on. Al kitabi is majroor. Harf jar ism majroor, coming as a shibu jumla, khabar for al miftahu. Al miftahu al kitabi. The key is on the book. Let's put to some practice what we have learned so far. See, al madrasatu. So we need to put the signs here, vowel signs, and try and understand why that vowel sign exists here. So if we know if there is no vowel sign here, we know if it is coming al, it will have a single dhamma. So it will be al madrasatu. So what will happen when a harf jar will come? When a harf jar will come, this will become a ism majroor. So ism majroor will have a kasra. Okay. Fil madrasati. It will become fil madrasati. So if you can say what will be here, there is no al, so it will have a dhamma, fatha or kasra, single or double. It will be baytun. This is an indefinite, baytun. So what will happen when there is a harf jar there? It becomes fi baytin, fi baytin. It's right here. So fil matbakhu, matbakha, matbakhi. So now we know it is, if there is a harf jar fi, which means in, matbakh means kitchen, we're telling in the kitchen, fil matbakhi. So if you let's do this sentence, a jumlatul ismiya. If you can analyze the whole sentence here, at-talibu, at-talibu, we got huruf shams here, that's why the sign of lam is escaped. So at-talibu, there will be dhamma here, at-talibu, that's a mubtada, and these are not connected, so we can put an is here. The student is fil jami'ati. Jami'a means university, jami'at means university. Fil jami'ati, we'll put a kasra here. The student is in the university. The student is in the university. So I say al qalamu, the pen. So talking about this as a mubtada, we'll have a dhamma there. Al qalamu alal maktabi. Ala harf jar means on. Al maktabi ism majroor having kasra, and together it is called Shibu Jumla, coming as a khabar for al qalamu. So al qalamu mubtada. So as we progress, we will be calling this combination just jar majroor. So if we say jar majroor, we understand that, which means harf jar ism majroor shibu jumla khabar. We will say jar majroor shibu jumla khabar. So this is for us to link in a big sentence, how to link the other things and make a sense of it. That's why it is important to know what it is called and why it is like that. Alal kitabi, it will be kitabi, alal kitabi. Let's do the sentence here. Ash-shamsu wal qamaru. Wow is coming. So if you remember, we did about wow. Wow is called harfu atfin. Let's take you to harfu atfin. Harfu atfin means it connects two parts of a sentence. Okay, and the part which comes after wow is called ma'tufun ala, which is connected to the before. If you go here, so we got harfu atfin, and this al qamaru is connected to ash-shamsu. So if ash-shamsu is mubtada, wow ataf al qamaru is still a part of mubtada, that is not a khabar. So it's called ash-shamsu wal qamaru, the sun and the moon. So we're still looking for the khabar. What is the khabar? Fis sama'i. Fis sama'i. Fi means in, harf jar, as-sama'i means ism majroor. Together it is shibu jumla, coming as a khabar for ash-shamsu wal qamaru. Ash-shamsu, we'll put dhamma here. Ash-shamsu wal qamaru fis sama'i. The final one, ar-rajulu. Ar-rajulu, the man is, we put is here as the man is fil masjidi, in the masjid, fil masjidi. Mubtada, jar majroor, shibu jumla khabar. So this is our lesson today about jar majroor, harf jar, ism majroor. Together it's called shibu jumla, and it will come as a khabar in a jumlatul ismiya. It will give the news. Inshallah, try and practice and write, and slowly it will get strong in your mind.